Okay, I'm now working with training vigilante forces in West Africa. I talk basically about the equipment I carry, which is minimal. Why I don't like carrying a lot of equipment with me. First of all, flashlight, torch. So I picked up in the US. It's I picked this up at Home Depot for like $14. Coast. It's got the on-off button in the back. Powerful. You use white light mainly for searching areas, searching people, etc. And the advantage of this over something like a Surefire is it takes AA batteries. In a lot of places, trying to get the lithium batteries would be virtually impossible. So I generally look for flashlights to take the AA's because you can tend to get the batteries in most places. Baseball cap's handy here because it keeps the rain out your eyes, and it rains a lot. Everything I carry here is waterproofed. The plastic bags I'm used for carrying things, carrying water, or again, tinder for lighting fires. I got green string, multiple uses, building shelters, etc., etc. Multiple uses. Main concern here is clean water. If I'm stuck out, I need to drink. So this is a little purification straw I got from Bass Pro Shops Frontier Emergency Water Filter. This is good for like they claim 20 gallons of water, which is ample if I'm out for stuck out 24 hours, 36 hours. I need water. I can use this. Put into the water source, drink straight from the water source. In addition to this, again, it's in a bag. I got condoms. If I need to carry water, I can carry the water with me. And again, drink from the condom. The other thing I'm concerned about here, well, you might need here, is to keep warm. It does rain a lot, even though it's Africa, it does get chilly. I'm not into the flint and steels and rubbing two bits of stick together. I'm all for keeping things simple. I carry a tin of matches, wind and waterproof matches, sealed up with the strikers in there. If you want to light a fire, you want to light a fire quickly. Flint and steels, yeah, they look good, they're sexy, but when you need to light fire, you need to light fire. Again, that's kept in a plastic bag. As far as tinder's concerned here, even though it rains a lot, this stuff I picked up earlier is still a little bit damp. Best thing to light a fire with? A lighter. Yeah, simple, anybody can use it. See, even though this was picked up earlier, I can still get a fire going with this, no problems. Yeah, so getting tinder here is not a problem. Yeah, it take a while to get going, but she'll light a fire. Yeah. So that's what I carry. I carry a knife. I got a Surefire. It was given to me in the US. Thank you, Dr. Sal. I was carrying a folding blade here, but they tend to get clogged up with mud. When it's not raining, it's dusty. This knife is about a 4-inch blade, nice and solid. Can do most tasks, come up nice and sharp. Full tang, good grip on it. Comes with a Kydex sheath. I was always big on leather sheaths, but the advantage of a Kydex sheath is when it's raining, when it's wet, it's not going to get soggy, where leather gets soggy and spoils. This is a good little knife. This has been my everyday carry blade for the past 4 months. My boots, Walmart boots, as you see, they're about spoiled. They're split. There's not much support left, but I'm sure they'll last me a couple more days and then I'll be out of this place. So, that's the equipment I carry. I keep it to a minimum. I'm not too worried about shelter here. If it rains, you're going to get wet. You're going to get wet crossing these streams anyway. You're going to get wet with sweat. If you need to shelter, generally around here you can find some corrugated iron or some bags or something. There's a few banana trees around which you can get under the leaves. So shelter's not too hard. As you see, this rainforest is pretty solid. So you can always find shelter and make a shelter in here somewhere. Yeah. So that's my everyday carry kit for West Africa. I can survive with that for a couple of days, no problems. I'm not too worried about food. You can always find food if necessary, and around here there's plenty of people around you can scrounge it from. Many thanks for watching.